When we are programming more than one thing, we need to make sure that they are working in sync with each other so that the program runs correctly. To make the animation work properly, the sprites need to be in sync.
Please don't eat me.
The fish is saying please don't eat me and then running away before the cat has reached it. The instructions are not in sync. We have to experiment with the wait times to get the characters to work in sync with each other. The fish was speaking too soon, so I have increased the amount of time that it needs to wait. Let's see if I've increased the wait time correctly so that it works better and they are now in sync.
Please don't eat me.
Much better. Head on over to scratch.mit.edu and use everything that we've learnt to create your own wonderful animation.